Is the refi boom already over? Come on! I was just getting to know you. Why you gotta leave so early? Hi, Brian Harris here. Yeah, I know we just talked. Listen, I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to cancel the purchase of that boat I was talking to you about. I'm not sure your refi opportunity is over, but what I can tell you is that we've definitely had a quick, strong move to the upside in rates. Interest rates have increased in the last 7 trading days rather rapidly. I'm gonna put a chart on the screen and go over just how big the recent move in interest rates has been. This is a chart of mortgage-backed securities. So with the lower prices, that translates into higher rates. On September 4th, the price for this mortgage-backed security was 102.2. Today, you can buy it for 100.8. So what does that even mean? It's not translated to interest rates for borrowers. So what I did was I pulled rate sheets from each of these trading days for a purchase 20% down conforming loan with good credit. September 3rd, also September 4th, believe it or not, you can get a rate 3.375. You'd be getting actually some lender credit back to you with that rate. The 5th, the 6th, rates went to 3.5. The 9th, so we jumped from a Friday to a Monday, 3.625. The 10th, we're up to 3.75. This is moving fast, guys. The 11th, 12th, 13th, you're looking at 3.875. So in very short order, the interest rates increased by 0.5%, just 6-7 trading days. And then finally, I want to recap with a couple of phrases. Number 1 is rise up. Rise up, rise up. Number 2 is bird in the hand is worth 2 in the bush. And number 3 is lock it up.
You lock it up, lock it up, lock it up, lock it up.
So my last video, rise up. And I had a handful of people call me. I even had an old friend say, hey, Brian, saw your video. I think it's about time I rise up. I want to rise up. And I thought that was cool. So we got them locked in. We lowered their rate. They're in the 3s. They got paid about $2,000 to refi. The way that, what I mean by that is that they had a lender credit that was about $2,000 more than all their closing costs. So the way I look at that is that the lender paid you money to lower your rate. So that's a pretty cool thing. On that, if you can refinance and lower your rate and it's no cost, you should do it. Okay, so a couple people were talking about rising up and they thought, that's great. I see it's no cost and I can lower my rate, but what? It seems like rates are going lower. I think I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna hold off. And that's where I say a bird in the hand is worth 2 in the bush. Now, if you have an opportunity to lower your interest rate, no cost, you gotta lock it up.
Lock it up, lock it up.
So if this last week's taught you anything, with interest rates moving 0.5% in about 7 business days, it's that a bird in the hand is worth 2 in the bush. If you have the chance to refinance, lower your rate, no cost, you should do it. Okay, don't hesitate, lock it up. So when you have that opportunity, I want you to lock it up. And with that, I'm gonna say thank you and take care. Like and subscribe.